Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make ChatGPT notifications disappear automatically on Mac. So by default, Mac notification can appear in two different alert style. The first one is temporary and the second one is persistent. Temporary notification disappear by its own in few seconds, while the persistent notification stay on the screen until you manually dismiss it. If you don't want ChatGPT notification to remain visible for too long, switching it to temporary alert style is always a good choice. So let's see how you can do it. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Notifications and here find ChatGPT and click on it. Now here, first you need to make sure to enable the toggle right to allow notifications, and then one more thing you have to do is to definitely you have to check the box below desktop. As you can see, as soon as I uncheck this box, the alert style option is faded out, means it's not working until I choose desktop. So choose desktop here and make sure to choose temporary in alert style section. So that's it. So from now on, ChatGPT notification will automatically disappear from your screen after a short time instead of staying there until you manually close them. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.